Chapter 4: Creating Engaging Content on LinkedIn. Content is king, and on LinkedIn, creating engaging and valuable content is key to attracting attention, building your brand, and fostering meaningful connections. In Chapter 4, we will delve into the strategies and techniques for creating compelling content on LinkedIn that resonates with your target audience and helps you achieve your business objectives. By mastering the art of content creation, you can establish yourself as a thought leader, expand your reach, and drive business growth. Understanding your target audience. Before creating content on LinkedIn, it's essential to have a clear understanding of your target audience. Research their demographics, interests, pain points, and preferences. This knowledge will enable you to create content that addresses their needs, interests, and challenges effectively. Tailoring your content to resonate with your audience increases the likelihood of engagement, encourages sharing, and positions you as a valuable resource. Developing a content strategy. A well-defined content strategy is crucial for consistency and effectiveness. Determine your goals, whether it's increasing brand awareness, generating leads, or establishing thought leadership. Identify the topics and themes that align with your expertise and target audience's interests. Plan the frequency and types of content you will create, such as articles, videos, infographics, or industry insights. A content strategy ensures that your content is purposeful, cohesive, and aligned with your business objectives. Crafting compelling headlines. The headline is the first impression your content makes, and a compelling headline can significantly impact whether someone clicks to read further. Craft headlines that are concise, attention-grabbing, and clearly communicate the value proposition of your content. Use powerful words, ask thought-provoking questions, or promise valuable insights to entice readers to engage with your content. A strong headline sets the tone for your content and encourages readers to delve deeper. Writing engaging articles and posts. When creating content on LinkedIn, it's essential to focus on quality and relevance. Whether you write articles or make posts, here are some tips to make your content engaging. A. Provide value. Your content should offer valuable insights, actionable advice, or industry knowledge. Solve problems, answer common questions, or share your expertise. When your audience finds value in your content, they are more likely to engage, comment, and share it with others. B. Be authentic. Inject your personality and unique perspective into your content. Authenticity helps you connect with your audience on a deeper level. Share personal stories, lessons learned, or anecdotes that resonate with your audience's experiences. This humanizes your brand and fosters a sense of trust and relatability. C. Use visuals. Incorporate visual elements such as images, infographics, or videos to make your content visually appealing and easily digestible. Visuals grab attention, break up text, and enhance the overall engagement of your content. D. Encourage conversation. Pose questions, seek opinions, or invite readers to share their experiences in the comments section. Encouraging conversation sparks engagement and fosters a sense of community around your content. Respond to comments promptly and engage in meaningful discussions to further build connections. E. Optimize for readability. Structure your content using subheadings, bullet points, and paragraphs for easy skimming. Use concise sentences and avoid jargon or overly technical language. Make your content accessible and engaging to a wide range of readers. Leveraging native video content. Native video content on LinkedIn has gained significant traction in recent years. Utilize this powerful medium to create engaging videos that resonate with your audience. Consider the following tips. A. Keep it short and engaging. Attention spans are limited, so keep your videos concise and focused. Deliver your message within the first few seconds to capture attention and maintain interest throughout the video. B. Provide value. Just like written content, ensure your video offers value to your audience. Educate, entertain, or inspire them with actionable insights, tips, or stories. Make it worth their time investment. C. Include captions. Many users watch videos without sound, so adding captions ensures your message is accessible and effectively conveyed. Captions also make your video more engaging for viewers who prefer to read the content. D. Call to action. End your video with a clear call to action. Whether it's directing viewers to your website, subscribing to your newsletter, or engaging in further conversation, guide them on the next step they should take. Engaging with other content. Building a presence on LinkedIn is not just about creating your own content, it's also about engaging with others' content. Actively participate in discussions, like, comment, and share relevant content within your industry. Engaging with others demonstrates your thoughtfulness, expands your network, and builds relationships with fellow professionals. By providing valuable insights and contributing to conversations, you establish yourself as a trusted and knowledgeable resource. Creating engaging content on LinkedIn requires a strategic approach and a deep understanding of your target audience. Craft compelling headlines, deliver valuable insights, leverage visual elements, and engage in conversations to foster connections and establish your expertise. By consistently delivering high-quality content, you can grow your audience, increase visibility, and drive meaningful business outcomes.